Hi everyone. Alright, so last time I told you about Mansa Musa, the African king who controlled half the world's gold. Today we talk about the one journey that made the entire world to stop. A pilgrimage so extravagant it accidentally destroyed the economies of multiple countries, and it wasn't even trying to. In 1324, Mansa Musa made the Hajj, the sacred pilgrimage to Mecca. A lot of people know about this, especially our Muslim fellows. But he didn't travel like an ordinary man or Muslim would do. Instead, he assembled 60,000 people, the likes of soldiers, servants, doctors, poets, and 12,000 of them dressed in fine Persian silk, each carrying a 4-pound gold bar. Then again, we have 80 camels, each loaded with up to 300 pounds of pure gold dust. Now, the procession stretched for miles across the Sahara. People who saw it said they had never witnessed anything like it, and they never would again. When the caravan reached Cairo, Mansa Musa started giving, as usual, gold to the poor, gold to merchants, gold to scholars. He gave so generously that people lined the streets just hoping to receive something from him. But here is the problem. He gave away so much gold so fast that the value of gold in Egypt collapsed overnight. Hilarious. The value of gold in Egypt collapsed overnight. Prices rose, merchants lost fortunes, the economies destabilized, and the damage spread across North Africa and into Middle East. That it took over 10 years for the gold markets to recover. Let that sink in. 10 years, 10 good years. From one man's generosity on one journey, no war, no invasion, no bombing, just too much gold. By the time he reached Mecca and returned home, his name was known everywhere. Arab scholars wrote about him, European map makers dreamed on their maps. On the Catalan Atlas of 1375, a European map made 50 years after his pilgrimage. If you just go on Google and search for Catalan Atlas of 1375, you can still see Mansa Musa sitting on a throne holding a gold nugget and also wearing a crown. A European map showing an African king as the most powerful figure in the world. He didn't conquer anyone. He simply traveled, and the world never forgot him. But the pilgrimage was just the beginning. When Mansa Musa returned home, he built something in the middle of the African desert that will become one of the greatest center of learning the world had ever seen. And that is coming on episode 3. Subscribe to HistoryPulse so you don't miss it, and tell me in the comments what shocked you most. Is it the 60,000 people, the camels full of gold, or the fact that his generosity broke an entire economy? Don't worry, I read every comment. See you in episode 3.